guys, today I'm gonna show you guys the famous Thai street food is the Thai recipe for deep fried sun-dried pork, or in Thai we call Moo Dad Deaw, made by sun-drying strip of pork until they are semi-dry and then deep frying them to golden brown. First we gonna slice the pork into the thin strip. Before doing this recipe, choose a hot sunny day with no chance of rain and then select the drying location where you can lay a pan of meat in direct sun for at least 2 or 3 hours. And then we're gonna marinate the pork. First add the 1 tablespoon of the sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of seasoning soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of the oyster sauce. And add 1 tablespoon of the vegetable oil. Half teaspoon of the pepper and also some of the garlic. And blend everything together and stir up well until the is evenly coated. Cover the bowl and let meat sit at the room temperature for half hours. Arrange the marinade strip onto the wire rack and sit under the sun for 2 or 4 hours, depend on how hot it is outside, or you can put in the oven at 40 degrees for 2 hours. And for today we have the 2 methods to cook this. The first method is we gonna use the air fryer. But we're gonna use the temperature for 180 Celsius with 5 minutes first, and then we will flip up and continue with the 5 minutes. And after side, continue with the 5 minutes. But if you want to make it more dry, you can make it more time. And this is finished. You can see the oil is under the air fryer. And the second method, we're gonna deep fry our pork by we use the put the oil and then put our meat onto the when the oil is hot and make the deep fry until the color is as you like. And now it's ready for our deep fried pork. This is 2 methods to comparing for you if you want to cook as a air fryer or deep frying. For me it's quite the same, but I prefer the air fryer because it's less of the oil. So I hope you guys keep this time for this recipe. You can eat together with the steamed rice or sticky rice. It's all delicious. And also you can find this many in Thai street food. So thank you for watching my video. See you next time.